Taala wabarakatuh. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and a very good morning, a very good day to all. So today we are going to discuss about an assignment assigned by Dr. Puan. So in this video, we will be discussing about the transcription assignment. So let us all introduce ourselves first, okay? So my name is Alia Farzana binti Muhammad Farouk, and my matrix number is 208218.
Hello, my name is Afif Shafi'i bin Muhammad Fuzi, matrix number 205784.
My name is Ahmad Daniel Benzali and my matrix number is 207138.
Hello, my name is Alia Najwa binti Abdul Muttalib. My matrix number is 205220.
My name is Ainu Hanani binti Razmi and my matrix number is 205428.
So shall we begin? Okay. So for the first question, give the transcript sequence. Anyone would like to try? If no one would like to try, let me try first. Okay. So the DNA sequence is ATGCTCTTA //GTAG So that is the DNA transcript sequence. That is the DNA sequence, but the mRNA sequence is UAC GAG AAU // CAU CAUU. So everyone got the same answer? Or you would like me to repeat?
You start at what base pairs?
Starting from the 230 plus 230 because that is the start codon.
I got different answer from you.
Can you repeat the answer because I catch up?
Oh, okay. I repeat the answer. The mRNA, okay?
Right.
UAC GAG AAU, and then the blank space CAU CAUU.
Okay. Actually, I've got a different answer from you. My answer is start from +1 until plus 2,500. So I just transcribe it in mRNA. So it will be like UACC //CCUG UU ACG AG AAU //CAU CAUU UU AUUU. So
I think I know. Okay, so you started from the +1, right?
Yeah.
I didn't start from the +1 because I think that is the initiator element. That is not the thing that we want to transcribe, because the ATG is the start codon. The underlying one is the start codon and stop codon, right? So that's why I use the only from that to that, because I think that the data box and the +1, the upper part of it, I think that is the core promoter. So that's why I didn't use. So I also got a bit confused there.
My answer same as my answer is same as Akmal, because as far as I know, the transcription is actually from the +1. So I think yes.
Yeah, I got the same answer with Kamal and Ainul.
Yep.
I got the same as Alia Farzana, because I searched on the Google. It says too. It says start from +1 and also start from start codon. But I believe the transcription start from the +230 ATG. Start from the underline one. So So I do not know which of us is the correct answer. I think the transit sequence start from there, not from the +1. For me, what I understand.
Because from what I know from the question, which means the transcript sequence means like it's include the initiator. It's like that not only the coding base, not only coding bases, not from the start codon until the end of the codon, but it's include the initiator. It's like that. I don't know. That's my opinion.
I think if you want to make it safe, I think we should just put the initiator part also. Yeah, what do you guys think? I think to make it safe lah. To make it safe.
So we're going to start from the ATG.
Yeah.
We are going to okay. So we are agreeing on Akmal answer. Okay. So okay.
Okay, so question number 2. Give the core promoter. Anyone would like to answer?
Me. Okay, I start with AA at the -28, AAT, ATACG, // GCTA, TGG until +4.
Okay.
Does anyone else have the answer? For mine, for me, I only wrote back the -30 TATA until the A +1, and then I just put a box. I just circle it, and then I put Tata box, and then the A +1 I just label it as initiator element, and then under that I just put the initiator element plus Tata box equal to core promoter. That's for me. What do you,
my answer same as you, Alia. Alia Fazan.
Same.
So you means like you just wrote from -30 until +1. That's it.
Yes.
That's it, and then I just label it and put the formula.
Oh, okay.
The same.
Okay, I agree.
Okay, so move on.
All right.
Question 3. Write the template sequence for transcription.
And I answer.
Okay. Yes, you may.
Start with the 3 prime, AUG, GGG, ACA, AAUG, CUCU, UA, GUA, GUAA, AAUAAA, 5 prime.
Can you repeat?
My answer is same.
I don't get. I can catch up because too many alphabets. So can you repeat?
Okay, I will repeat. 3 prime, AUG, AGG, ACA, AUG, CUC, UUA, GUA, GUA, AAA, UA, AA, 5 prime.
From the question, can you show where is the location? Means like from the numbering plus 21 at the
It is from +1.
+1 until
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 +2
until the
500.
end.
Yes.
Oh, I got
So-
the same question.
My answer is a bit wrong. My answer is a bit different. Anyone else want to answer first?
I'm the same as I'm Noharani.
Got the same answer actually. Yeah.
It's like the
So
question number 1, but inverted.
So question number 3 is write the template sequence for transcription, and then the 4th question is coding sequence, right?
Yes.
But I do think that we don't have to transcribe it because template sequence is in DNA, so we don't have to make it mRNA. Because just now Hanadi mentioned about U, right? I mean, you transcribe it into U, right? U,
Yes.
right? Yes.
Oh,
I don't transcribe it, but I still start from the start codon and stop codon. And then I just put ATG CTC. Just put that, but then I'll just add on the 3 prime and then 5 prime at the end. So that is my template sequence. But for number 4, I put I put the opposite of it, so it became T. So A become T, T become A, G become C, C become G. And that is the coding sequence because this is the DNA. You know, like the lagging and what is it that the other one called? So that's why I didn't. But then I just put at the number 4, I just put 5 prime, and then at the end I just put 3 prime because this is the lagging and the other strand. You get it when the DNA splits. You understand me?
Isn't the number 3 question
Yes.
it's like the number 1, but we change it, right? It's not the with number 4. The template sequence for transcription isn't the same as the transcript sequence. So we use the transcript sequence, but yeah, start from the +1 until 2500, but we change. We
Yes. But template sequence is I think the template sequence is in DNA.
coding sequence is mRNA.
I don't change anything. I just rewrite back the ATG to 30 until 2003, 200 and 3000. And then for the coding sequence, I just switch it. I think I should show you guys the diagram.
So ATG from
This one, can you guys see it? Or should I share screen?
Oh, okay. Understand.
The lagging and
Okay. Lagging and leading strand.
Lagging and leading strand.
Yes, understand now. Okay.
But Alia, you start the template sequence from 1 until 200 and 5000, right?
No. The template sequence, I start from the start codon and stop codon.
Oh, okay.
So the coding sequence, you just change the DNA to mRNA. Am I right?
Oh, no. Wait, I think I should share screen. This picture.
Get it. I get it.
This picture. Can you see it?
Yes,
The coding strand and the template strand. I don't change it to RNA.
Oh, means like the different of the DNA template. Am I right?
This is when the DNA splits into 2.
Oh, okay.
You understand, sir?
Okay.
So the answer for the template sequence start from ATG plus 230 until
2500,
until
2000.
2200 or 2300. 2000,
2300.
right? Right.
2300.
So number 4, the code.
So that's for
sorry.
so that's the answer, right?
That is the answer for template sequence.
Template sequence. Oh, start from 230 until 2300, right?
Yes.
So answer for number 4.
For number 4, should I write it? Should I say?
Yeah, like you should write it.
You should continue.
So
Okay, so number 4, the coding sequence. But in number 3, I put the 3 prime at the beginning and then the 5 prime at the end.
Yes.
yeah.
For the coding sequence, 5 prime and then TAC, GAG, AAT, blank, CAT, CATT, 3 prime.
Okay, got it.
Got it?
From what number display?
Huh?
From this is number 4, right?
Yes.
You take start from where?
I just start from the exact same, the ATG and then ATAA.
Okay.
So should we move on?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so number 5, state the length of the coding region, transcript, and core promoter.
I want to try. So the coding region, the length of the coding region is 2070. So the TAA 2300 minus the the underline ATG 230. So you got 2070 for the coding region. Anyone? How about others? Is it the same?
Okay, do we need the 2300? Do we need to add 2303?
Yeah, I got 2303 minus 230 equals to 2073.
Yes, I got the same answer as
Yes, I also got the same answer.
Got the same answer like Afiq.
So the correct answer is it 2070 or not?
I think we have to take 2303 because TAA is 2300, AA 2303.
2303 minus 230. 230. Oh, so the answer is going to be 2073. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. For the length of the transcript, I got 2500.
Yes. Same.
With me.
Same. So for the co-promoter, I got 30.
31.
31.
31. Plus one.
I got 31. No, I actually a bit confused with this question. Do we need to 1 plus negative 30 or 1 plus 30? So I don't know. I got in between 29 and 31.
Because in my opinion, in the transcription there is no 0, so we assume that plus 1 is 0.
So it's
like that.
So it's 30, not 31. Is it 30?
It's 31.
It's 31.
It's 31. Oh, okay. Confused. I think that's all for number 5.
So the answer for number 5 is 31 or 30.
Akmal, you
31.
You understand or not?
Actually, I'm a bit confused because why do we need to add 1? Because means like if we look at the numbering, when we from there is no 0, by the way. So why we need to add 1? Right. In this transcription, there is no.
I think because in the formula, you know, like we have to put I and R plus data box, and that becomes the core promoter. That's why we add one. Anyone else have that opinion?
I actually agree with Akmal. I think it's 30. I don't know. I just because that is
What
the
do we need to add one?
I still doesn't understand that.
Plus
Understand that.
0 to 30 is 30. And 0, 30 to 0 to 1. So that's 31. All right.
I think I got 31 because from negative 30 to t before a2 before plus 1 2 is 30 base pairs, the length. So we add 1 because a is included. Because plus 1 is included, so that's why we get 31.
It's like you count by one.
Okay.
So before positive 1 is negative 1, right?
Is it negative 1? Each.
Yes.
Before positive 1. So
Yes,
negative 1 until negative 30 is 30 plus 1.
Yes.
Alright.
So the answer is 31, right?
Yes.
Everyone agree?
Yes.
Okay. So,
You understand already?
But
okay,
isn't
got
the
it.
okay.
Why are fifth?
Is it the plus 1? A plus 1, is it the initiator or the co-promoter? The A plus 1 is the initiator, right?
Initiator. Co-promoter is initiator plus data box.
Oh, alright. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so I think we have discussed all of the question for transcription process. Before we proceed to the next topic, let me recall all of the answer for each question. So the answer for the question number 1 is UACC dot slash dot CCUG UUACGAGAAU dot slash dot CAUCAUU dot UUAUUU. So the answer for the question number 2 is TACG dot slash dot GCTA, which there is a data box plus LNR equal to core promoter. And the answer for the question number 3 is 3 prime ATG CTC TTA dot slash dot GTA GTAA dot AATAA 5 prime. And the answer for the question number 4 is 5 prime TAC.
I think we should stop at the TAA only for question number 3.
TAA.
The stop
Because that
codon.
is the stop codon.
Oh yeah.
You mentioned the AATAA just now.
Oh yeah. Sorry. So let me repeat. So I'm sorry. The answer for the question number 3 start from 3 prime ATG CTC TTA dot slash dot GTA GTAA 5 prime. So the answer for the question number 4 is 5 prime TAC GAGAA T dot slash dot CATT 3 prime. And the answer for the question number 5 coding region is 2073, transcript 2500, and core promoter is 31. So that's it.